Hi, how are you? I'm glad we gone our nail party in the Gumps. Yes, I'm excellent, I'm good here and the creams and clowns star in the match. How about you? Where did you need her? I'm gone here and the electric star down too. Mine's roll into server question and hit the fit the products nail. Green, how many hours do you work and wet? I work 20 hours and wet, living in 4 days. How about you? I work 22 hours and wet, also living in the 4 days. Then hard you hard. I work 20 trans Friday from 2 p.m. to 17 p.m. How about you? I work Monday through Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. How much do you earn per hour? I earn 15 per hour. What about you? I earn 12 per hour. But you tell me I can raise my pay if perfect with. Thanks, Graham. Think we're in good city. Do you like World Cup so far? Yes, I like it a lot. The questions are Friday, and my comments are rain. How about you? I like it too. I'm going he'll question and learn about the products. And excel the same how my crest devil in the start. Yes, I'm sure you do wet. Do you wet to go unto dinner? Toward this wit to servant or no goods? I love too. How about Frida's names? Sound perfect. See you, Trent.